Here is a Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now we need to get this light out to access the bulbs. This light is held in place by two 10mm bolts. You'll need a socket ratchet combination or a 10mm wrench to get the bolts off. Let's go ahead and get the bolts off one by one. Loosen this and get it out, and do not lose it. Let's repeat the process for the second bolt. Get this out, and now we have to try and rock this light a little bit. Just get it loose a little bit, and then you have to slide it backwards. Now if you're not able to slide it out, don't worry, I'm going to show you a trick. Get a roll of duct tape and peel one layer of it, like one long layer that goes across the length of the light. Good. Let's get a couple more layers. We're going to try and use this duct tape kind of like a handle to yank the light out, and there it comes out. Good. Once this light is out, let's just go ahead and get the duct tape off the light. We don't need it anymore. Now that's the bulb holder for the rear turn signal bulb. Just grab it and twist to the left, and now it's loose and you should be able to get it out. To get the bulb off, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, but it'll come out. The bulb size is WY21W. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply push it back in to secure it. And when you put the bulb holder back in, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. When you put the light back on, you have to focus on that front side. There's like that white clip. The light goes over, it just slides onto it. So to make sure it slides onto it, just keep some pressure on it when you're pushing the light back in place. That way you ensure it just slides onto it, doesn't like stick out. Now let's get those bolts back in one by one. Hand tighten them down first. Just make sure that everything is in position. And then let's just tighten them down with the socket ratchet combination. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.